Welcome to today's video about foods that are more potent than sleeping medicines. Have you ever found yourself staring at the ceiling, counting sheep, and really wanting to fall asleep? You are not alone. Millions of people deal with sleepless nights, turning to medications and potions in the hopes of getting a few hours of sleep. But what if the answer to your sleepless nights is not in a bottle, but on your plate? Did you know that some foods are scientifically shown to be more effective than sleeping pills? What if the key to deep, unbroken sleep was as simple as including these natural nutrients into your diet? In this video, we'll reveal the shocking truth about foods that can lull you into a tranquil slumber, and how eating just one of these before bed can improve your sleep. Could the solution to your sleepless nights be hidden in your kitchen? Stay tuned to see which meals are the key to getting the best sleep of your life and how you may begin enjoying them tonight. Just a reminder that the information in this video is intended to be educational only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. Please keep in mind that all of the content on this website has been verified by a team of experienced researchers. All right, let's look at the best meals that can outperform sleeping drugs. Starting with our first contender, almonds. For individuals suffering from insomnia, consider a natural cure that may outperform sleeping drugs. Almonds are high in magnesium and may lower cortisol levels, a stress hormone that frequently disrupts sleep. A study published in Nutrients 2017 found that magnesium is important in modulating neurotransmitters that quiet the nervous system, encouraging a deeper, more restful sleep before bed. A modest handful of almonds can do wonders. Almonds' magnesium and healthy fat content not only promotes muscle relaxation, but they also balance blood sugar levels, which can help you sleep better at night. Furthermore, the protein in almonds helps to maintain stable blood sugar levels, lowering the possibility of energy spikes that might interfere with sleep. While sleeping drugs can give temporary comfort, they are frequently associated with negative effects and the danger of reliance. In contrast, the natural nutrients in almonds assist the body's own sleep systems, making them a safer and healthier option for getting deep restorative sleep. For optimal outcomes, take a handful of almonds as a bedtime snack around 30 minutes before you go to bed. Second, recent research have shown that kiwi fruit has extraordinary potential for improving sleep quality, often outperforming standard sleeping aids. A 2023 study published in Nutrients discovered that eating kiwis 1 hour before bedtime greatly enhanced sleep onset length and deficit. Participants went to sleep faster, slept longer, and awoke less frequently during the night. This fruit is high in serotonin, a chemical that helps regulate sleep. Additionally, kiwis are high in antioxidants and folate, which have been linked to better sleep habits. Unlike sleeping drugs, which can lead to addiction and negative effects, kiwi fruit provides a natural, side effect-free alternative for improving sleep quality. Adding kiwi to your nightly ritual is simple. Enjoy 2 kiwis approximately an hour before bedtime. This timing permits the natural components in the fruit to have an effect in accordance with your body's circadian rhythm. With persistent use, this strategy may help you sleep better while avoiding the hazards associated with pharmacological sleep aids. The third option is chamomile tea. Chamomile tea has been renowned for generations for its calming qualities, and new research reveals that it could be an effective natural cure for better. A 2024 study published in the Journal of Complementary Therapies in Medicine discovered that cham extracts significantly improved sleep quality in subjects with mild to moderate sleep disorders. This study found that chamomile not only helps you fall asleep faster, but it also reduces nightly awakenings, which leads to more restorative sleep. Chamomile includes apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to particular brain receptors, perhaps reducing anxiety and promoting sleep. Unlike many herbal medicines, chamomile's benefits have been thoroughly documented, with numerous research showing its usefulness. To add chamomile into your evening regimen, Drink 1 cup of chamomile tea 30 minutes before going to bed. This allows the relaxing ingredients in the tea to take action, allowing you to relax and prepare for sleep. For those who like a stronger effect, steep a chamomile tea bag in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. Using 2 tea bags or a small piece of fresh ginger can double the tea's effectiveness and offer a delicious flavor. Fourth, tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice has gained popularity as a natural cure for improving sleep quality because of its high melatonin content, a hormone that governs the sleep-wake cycle. A 2012 study published in the European Journal of Nutrition found that drinking tart cherry juice boosted melatonin levels, improved sleep duration, and reduced deficit. Participants who ingested tart cherry juice had greater sleep duration and less insomnia symptoms than those who did not. To get these sleep advantages, drink 8 ounces of sour cherry juice around 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. This permits the melatonin in the juice to start functioning as you prepare for bedtime, signaling to your body that it's time to sleep. The juice's natural ingredients, including antioxidants such as anthocyanins, also help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, supporting peaceful sleep. This simple, nightly routine of drinking sour cherry juice can be an excellent, natural strategy to promote improved sleep patterns, especially when combined with other healthy sleep habits, such as maintaining a consistent bedtime and establishing a peaceful pre-sleeping environment. Walnuts come in at number 5. These nuts are a natural source of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. Unlike synthetic alternatives, walnuts provide a comprehensive approach by combining healthy fats, magnesium, and melatonin to relax the nervous system and prepare the body for sleep. According to research published in the Proceedings Journal in 2023, walnuts play an important function.